Hello everyone! Today we're gonna learn something very awesome. Animals, and we will learn about their sounds. Let's start. Lion, tiger, jaguar, fearful, cheetah,
Puma,
black panther, lynx, langur, hyena, panda, baboon, gorilla,
chimpanzee,
wolf, bear, deer, stag, fox, jackal, koala, kangaroo, hopper, rhinoceros, hippopotamus, giraffe, zebra.
elephant, trumpet,
Let's learn about pet animal or domestic animal and their sounds. Cow,
moo,
ox, buffalo, bull, dog, cat, rat, squeak, squeak, white mouse, squeak, squeak, rabbit, monkey, tortoise, pig, mule, donkey, squirrel, goat, sheep, horse, camel, Bactrian camel, yak, bison, moo. So hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. For more.